Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are fine. So today I'll be installing Visual Studio Code under my system, and I'll be also connecting my Python program via Visual Studio Code, and we'll be connecting also the runner code also. So you have to open the browser first and now click here the VS Code. So it will redirect to the website which is called the Visual Studio Code built by the Microsoft. So this product is capable enough with the Microsoft product. So yeah, you can click here the download button. So it will redirect to the Windows 10 and 11, where you can install the exe file. So once the exe file gets downloaded, so once it is downloaded, I'll open the file, and I'll execute the run command to download to install the Python. So you can see here, this is the user interface of the Visual Studio Code. Now we will wait a couple of minutes. So once it is downloaded, and I'll open the file and will run as administrator. Administrator, you have to right click, run as administrator. So once it is downloaded, you have to click it as yes. So one new windows will open. So it will be telling I accept the agreement. You have to just click the next button. आपको agreement accept करना पड़ेगा, and click करें next button. This is the browser where you can install the VS Code. You have to click the keep it as it is, and this is the file, Visual Studio Code. You have to click the next button. If you want to create the desktop icon, you can just click here and click the next and install. So it will take a moment for installing the VS Code, and now you have to wait for a moment. And after that, I'll be connecting with the Python program as well as the runner for executing the run command. Yeah, the file gets installed. Now you have to finish it, and the VS Code program gets launched into the user interface. So guys, I have created the file under my system. So the file, it has been created as Python 1.1. So I'll be executing the program under this. So yeah, so gets started with the Odoo python.py. So write your program here, print hello world, I am coming into Python world with Odoo functional. For this program, now type as a run command, click with the run command, and my run command is executed. Hello world, I am coming into the Python world. So now I'll be writing the other command as well, print hi, how are you. The same way I'll be also executing run command. So the hi, how are you, it is writing. So in terms of the mathematics, if you write 10 plus 10, the result would be getting 20. So guys, hope you find the way. So guys, let's connect. I'll be connecting with the Odoo framework in the later stage, and I'll be